24 essential products that every RVer needs for boondocking. Hi, my name is John, and I've been RVing for over 40 years. I use these water products to easily refill my RV's freshwater tank without moving my RV. Portable water jugs and bladders make it easy to carry water from any faucet to my RV. It's an extremely convenient and effective way to ensure that I never run out of water while camping. I also carry two 50-foot hoses that I use to get drinking water from faucets within 100 feet. These hoses are safe and do not contain lead, BPA, or other dangerous chemicals, and they don't leave a rubbery or plastic taste in my water. When I can't use my water hoses, I fill this 5-gallon BPA-free food-grade bucket with water and use the submersible pump to refill my RV's water tank. The pump can move water 25 feet vertically really fast. I also have a UV reverse osmosis water system which removes over 99% of contaminants such as viruses, bacteria, microplastic, chemicals, heavy metals, and more. It restores a natural alkalinity and mineral balance to my water. It tastes delicious. I use these propane products to ensure that I never run out of propane and I don't have to break camp or move my RV. I use a 5-pound propane tank cylinder, which is great for portable grills, fire pits, heaters, and other appliances that require propane. I hook this portable 5-gallon cylinder directly to my RV's propane tank with stainless steel braided hose and this brass adapter too. I like being warm without burning a lot of propane. Portable propane heaters are generally more efficient than built-in furnaces, offering a cost-effective heating solution and perfect for enclosed spaces up to 225 square feet. They can run off 1-pound or 5-pound or 20-pound cylinders with optional hoses and regulator. Solar panels provide electricity to the batteries, which power all my essential appliances like my refrigerator, my stove, and television. Choosing the right battery is crucial for a comfortable experience. Lead-acid batteries are cheap but very heavy and short-lived. Lithium batteries are much more expensive. However, they hold power much longer and enhance my boondocking experience tremendously. Generators are my backup solution, especially when the sun takes a break. They can recharge my batteries or power anything inside the motorhome. It also has an inverter built in as well, and it lets me run my laptop computers without damaging my hard drives. Porta potties are portable toilets that are ideal for use in RVs, trucks, and vans. They're designed to be odorless and leak-proof. The toilet is easy to use and clean. They have a sealed valve that prevents odors from escaping and a rotating pour-out spout that makes it easy to empty the wastewater tank without any backsplashing. I use portable power stations like Bluetti and EcoFlow. They give me a quiet, portable backup power source, and it's easy to take them on the go. I recharge them with my roof panels, portable solar panels, or inverter/batteries at 120 volts. If your inverter uses a lot of power like mine does, this Bestech 300-watt inverter only uses 10 watts and is a great choice for powering small appliances that don't require larger inverters. The Set Power Fridge-Freezer combo is portable, and I could take it with me camping. It runs off my 12-volt batteries, and it doesn't need an inverter. Take these heavy-duty garbage bags with they're thick, dependable, and odorless, and ideal for situations where there's no trash receptacle nearby. In case of a tire emergency, I have a portable air compressor. It can help inflate tires, balls, and other inflatable objects, and it's very compact and it's easy to store. These levelers always ensure that my RV is stable and level. For my internet, I use Starlink. It has a dedicated hotspot, keeps me connected wherever I go. It's powerful and perfect for Zoom calls, uploading videos, and sharing adventures in real time. Harness the power of the sun with this 2.5-gallon solar shower. Give yourself a hot shower anywhere you go. Simply fill it with water and lay it out in the sun. You'll have a hot shower in no time. I always carry an emergency first aid kit. It includes Band-Aids, pain relievers, and other essentials. I hope this video was helpful. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know in the comments below if you have any additional tips for this list. Until next time, happy camping, and thanks for watching.